Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. David Rishka here, and today I am here to bring you another video. And I want to talk about 6 steps to become successful in affiliate marketing. And as you can see, I already outlined some of the steps in here. So the first step um, is to pick a niche. Uh, Niche could be either product or service, excuse me, that I highly recommend you pick one that you are interested in. It could be your hobby, it could be something you have experience with, it could be a product that you really love using and working with, and that that itself, when you pick something like that, you're gonna be more passionate when you are promoting a product that you really like, that you enjoy using yourself. Okay. Number two, a company. Make sure that the company that provides either the product or service is a solid company with good reputation, with good track record. Do some research before you sign up with any affiliate marketing company, or any company that you promote the product or the services for, because people nowadays can go online and do pretty deep research and find out all the things. Almost every company has people who done like check on them, if there is scams, if people complained online. And most people are interested, not most people, but a lot of people are interested in the negative news that they find about that company, about the product. There is a lot of good reviews online, but people for some reason are drawn to find out what could be wrong with this product or service, what other people said. Okay, so it's important that you uh, choose a good company uh, that you're gonna be working with. Number three is product. Make sure that the product, I highly recommend before you promote any product or service. Let me edit this over here because we can also promote service. I highly recommend that whatever you promote, whether product or service, you buy that product or you use that service yourself. That way you have experience and you know what you are talking about. I am, for example, affiliated with the legendary marketer. I've been with them for a while, and we have a Facebook group. I met quite a few people in that company also, and I love the products that they promote. Okay, so this is very important. Do some research, use the products yourself, the services. I upgraded several times because I really enjoyed the company and the education that they provide. All right, so that's product and service. Number four, strategy. How are you going to promote the product and service? There is so many different ways. I, for example, as you can tell, I use YouTube. I have Instagram account also. I have Facebook account, but I focus mostly on YouTube. Okay, so whatever you choose, if you are good on video, I recommend using YouTube. If you are not shy talking in front of camera, use that. We have also trainings if you want to be if you want to learn how to promote on Facebook or Instagram, all those things to learn how to promote on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or blog. We have that at the legendary marketer. Once you sign up with our company, we will teach you all these strategies how to promote. Okay, you will have a coach, and you will have all the training videos to teach you how to promote on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or blog. So whatever you, if you like being on Facebook, talking to people, communicating, I recommend doing Facebook. If you like Instagram, posting pictures, communicating with people on Instagram, recommending that. Some people love writing online, providing value with different reports and writing blogs, information for people. Then you can do that as well. But from my experience, I think that YouTube and Facebook works the best. Instagram, I know people who have great success with that also. Once you get some leads from these strategies, you will be given email addresses from people who like the product and service or the company that you are promoting. You will be collecting email addresses, and it's very important to communicate um, with your leads. I communicate with my leads almost every single day. You can send them email twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week, depends on you. But it's highly important that you create an email responder. I use Aweber, but there is many different other ones. I'm gonna leave information below this video how to sign up with email responder. This is crucial. Email marketing is very important, and it still works. I know that a lot of people say, oh, email marketing doesn't work anymore, people don't read their emails anymore. Well, I'm here to tell you that it does, okay? Me, myself, and a lot of other people, or a lot of marketers, most marketers are using email marketing. They may not be sending emails every single day, but there is a power in email marketing and in communicating with people. Once you build your follow-up, people will be waiting for your emails, okay, every day, or as often as you send them the emails, as often as they are used to getting emails from you. So email marketing is extremely important. You can also learn how to do that on our website, The Legendary Marketer. We have learning videos about that as well. It's not a rocket science. And like I said before, you're gonna have the information how to sign up for a autoresponder below this video. And then the last step is plan the work and work the plan. Okay, guys, nothing is gonna happen by itself. Like for me, for example, when I come back from work in the evening, I work my business every single day. I do some research. I learn every single day, like new things, what's out there, how to market, how to improve my marketing. Look at other people's strategies and what they are doing, what they are promoting out there, and just educating myself every single day, working the business, emailing and communicating with my customers. Okay, so that's very important. You have to devote your time every single day to your business, at least an hour, 2 hours, and you will see a huge success. If you don't have any experience in affiliate marketing, it's very important to have a coach who will guide you through the process, who will explain how things works, and that will save you a lot of time and money and energy, okay, and stress that you might have, because a lot of people in the beginning, they don't see the results right away, but having a good coach will cut the learning curve, and you will be moving a lot faster, which our company also provides. You will, once you sign up with Legendary Marketer, you will also get your personal coach who will guide you through the steps and process. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I wanted to share with you these six steps to be successful as a affiliate marketer, and I'm gonna record another video tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Success Keeper, and I will talk to you soon. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below this video, and I wish you a beautiful day. Take care now.